Right, I've got a Hyundai 20 here, and the fault is knocking from the steering. So what we're going to do is, to see what this is, I think I'm going to take the steering wheel off and then start by looking into the steering column and see what we've got. So I managed to not have to take the steering wheel off and just took the cowling off. And you can see under there we've got power steering, we've got power steering assist motor in there as well. And if I can just feel up in here, that's where I think the noise is coming from, so we'll have to pull it down and just see what we got. So I'll remove the whole steering column in the end, come down and remove the power assisted motor, and you can see all these fragments in there. There should be a rubber bush that just fits in these slots here, but that's completely deteriorated, and that's the problem.